Welcome to the part 18 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at initial and final S. Alright, so first of all, let's look at this statement, what this statement says. It says, before and after PBRL and after TD and MO, the left S is used. In all other cases, the right S is used. Alright, so to understand this statement better, we're going to be making some characters like P, B, R, L, T, D, N, and M. Alright, so P in Gregg Shorthand is made like this, B is made like this, R is made like this, L is made like this, T is made like this, D is made like this, N is made like this, and M is made like this. Alright, so first of all, let's look at the very first part of the statement. It says before and after PBRL and after TD and MO, the left S is used. So what is left S? Well, there are two ways of making the S character. One is left S and the other one is right S. Alright, so left S is made like this and right S is made like this. Okay, so let's read the statement again. It says before and after PBRL and after TD and MO, the left S is used. So it's simply saying that before and after P, B, R and L, we will be making the left S. So suppose if we have a word here called sips, alright, sips. So if you notice here, we have this B character here. Alright, so we have this B character, and in the statement also we have the B character because it says before and after P. So in the statement also we have this P character, and here in this word sips we also have this P character. So we will be making the left S here, which is this one. So let's make this overall word sips. It will be made like this. So this is, first of all, we have this left S, which is this one, and then we have this E vowel, which is very similar to the kit word. Then we have this P character, then finally again we have this left S. So let's see what's happening here. We have used the left S here in this word sips because we have this P character here in this word sips, and in the statement also it says before and after P. Okay, before and after P we have to use the left S. So that's why we used the left S here. Alright, so that's what's happening here. So let's suppose if we take another word called sables. So if we notice here again we have this, now we have this B character, and in the statement also we have the B character. So here also we will be making the left S because it says before and after PB, the left S is used. So let's make this final word sables. It will be made like this. So first we have this left S, then we have this A vowel, because if we pronounce this word, it goes like sables. Alright, so which is very similar to the A as in came. So there's a large circle which is a vowel, then we have this large curve which is a B character, then we have this again large curve which is L character, then we finally have this left S. So here also we used the left S because we have this B character in this word, and in the statement also we have the B character. Alright, so let's take another example, like there's a word called series. So now we have this R character, and in the statement also we have the R character. Alright, so here also we're going to be making the left S in this word. So let's make this word. Alright, so this is our left S. Then we have this small circle which is E, because if we pronounce it goes like series. So E is very similar to this need. Then we have this small curve which is R. Then finally we have this left S which is S. Alright, so it's series. So here also we use the left S because in the statement we have this R character, and here also in this word we have this R character. Alright, let's make another example. Suppose we take another example like okay, slim. So now we have this L character, alright, and in the statement also we have the L character. So here also we're gonna be making the left S, which is this one. Alright, so the slim word will be made like this. So this is left S, then we have this large curve which is L character, then we have this E vowel which is very similar to the kit, because if you pronounce it goes like slim, then we have this final M which is a long stroke. Alright, so this is the slim word, and here also we used the left S because we have this L character, and in the statement also we have the L character. Alright, so we're done with this P, B, R and L. Let's move further. It says before and after P, B, R, L and after T, D, N, M, O, the left S is used. So it's saying that and after this L, T, D, N, M, we have to use the left S here also in these characters. So suppose if we have a word called like T's, okay. So if you notice here we have this T character, and in the statement we have this T, D, and M, O. Alright, so T is also in the statement and also in this word. So we have to use the left S here also. Alright, so let's make this final word T's. So this is the T, and then this is the E vowel, a small circle, which is similar to the need vowel. Alright, then we have this left S. So this is our word T's, and here we used the left S because the T character is mentioned in the statement. So let's take another, like we have this word called days. Alright, days. So now we have this D character, and in the statement also we have the D character. So here also we're gonna be making the left S. So let's make this final word days. So this is D, then this is A vowel, which is a large circle similar to the came. Then we have this final S, which is left S, okay. So here also we use the left S because D is mentioned in this word, and in the statement also we have the D character. Alright, so let's take another, like we have the word called like knees. Alright, knees. So now if you look here, we have the K character, but in English language if you pronounce this word it goes like knees. So K is silent here, so we will be considering this as N. Alright, because if you pronounce it goes like knees. So we have the N character here, and in the statement also we have the N character. So here also we're gonna be making the left S. So the knees word will be made like this. Alright, so this is N, then we have this E vowel which is similar to the need, a small circle, then we have this final left S. Alright, so this is how to make the knees word, and here also we used the left S. Alright, so suppose we have this another example like mass. So this is here we have M character, and in the statement also we have the M character. So let's make this word mass. So it goes like this. Alright, so this is our M, then this is we have a vowel which is very similar to the mat. This is a large circle. Alright, this is a vowel. Okay, so then we have this left S. Alright, so here also we use the left S because M is mentioned in the statement as well as in this word. Alright, so let's move to the next part of this statement. It says in all other cases the right S is used. Alright, so in all other cases except these characters. So suppose we have another word here called sashes. Alright, so we have this ish character. So ish is made alright, let's make the ish character here. Ish is made like this in Gregg Shorthand. So let's make this word sashes. It will be made like this. Alright, so we saw that here we first have, alright, so here we have this right S, then we have this a vowel which is very similar to the mat. then we have this ish character, then again we have this s, right s. So here we used the right s because it's not containing those characters p, b, r, l, t, d, and m. Okay, so that's why we used the right s, which is this one here in this word. So suppose we have another word called sages. All right, sages. So let's make this word, and we're gonna be using the right s here. Sages word will be made like this. So this is s. All right, this is s. Then this is, we have this a vowel, which is very similar to the came. Then we have this j character. Then we have this right s again. So here we used the right s. Okay. All right. So let's take another example called like sketches. All right, sketches. So let's here also we're gonna be using the right s. So let's make this word sketches. It's like, all right, so this is right s. Then we have this k character. Then we have this small circle, which is a vowel, which is very similar to the get. And then we have used this ch character. Then again we have this right s.